Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 15871 Edrose Shores on beautiful Lake Ontario.
This is the ultimate beach house getaway with 100 feet of lake-level waterfront.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This is totally updated open waterfront living with a classic cottage style finished with a modern industrial look. Enjoy spacious open living with a designer kitchen with a dining area, a cathedral metal ceiling, soft close cabinetry, butcher block countertops, and pine walls. Open to the waterfront view living area with a vaulted ceiling and deck access, all with breathtaking lake views. This home also features a bedroom area with a cathedral metal ceiling and pine walls, with an adjacent barn door leading to a modern full bathroom.
This waterfront getaway is updated to perfection, totally furnished, turnkey, and ready to move in. A great investment to enjoy.
Enjoy the vacation lake lifestyle with a charming deck overlooking the 100 feet of pristine waterfront with a stone break wall. Imagine the beautiful sunrises and gorgeous sunsets.
Also available is this beautiful 60-foot lake-level waterfront lot. Enjoy a summer breeze in the clear water of Lake Ontario. You could have it all with this ultimate Lake Ontario beach house getaway. Edrose Shores is a great waterfront community. Nearby marinas for your boat and Hamlin Beach State Park.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 15871 Edrose Shores on gorgeous Lake Ontario.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!